Hi, great that you clicked on this video and are interested in governance of sustainability. My name is Natalie Cru and I am a second-year student of the program. In this video, I will tell you all about the master and what you can expect. What is governance of sustainability? Sustainability is a difficult issue to govern because scientific experts and policymakers need to work together to come up with effective policy solutions. Yet, they have a very different point of view, and very few people are actually aware of this. Even fewer people have the necessary knowledge and understanding of both sides to effectively implement policy solutions. At Governance of Sustainability, we are trained to be the intermediate between scientific experts and policymakers by combining knowledge on governance and natural science. With an integrated approach, our graduates combine the analytical skills of a scientist with the governance perspectives of a social scientist and the transdisciplinary skills necessary to combine these perspectives. So why study at Leiden University? Well, our education is on campus in The Hague, the city in the Netherlands where the ministries are based. So we really are at the heart of where policy is being made. We are also combining two faculties. In each class, we have a teacher from the science faculty and the faculty of governance and global affairs, so we really do combine both disciplines. We are also an international environment where 50% of the students are Dutch and the other 50% come from all over the world, bringing different educational backgrounds to combine unique perspectives. Now let's get into the structure of the program. Governance of Sustainability is a 2-year full-time program on campus in The Hague. In the first year, we take 4 thematic courses on sustainability and train some skills in qualitative research and transdisciplinarity. In the second year of our program, we take our electives, do our sustainability challenge, train our quantitative research skills, and we finally write our thesis in the 4th semester. The teaching approach is based on co-teaching, transdisciplinarity, and celebrating diversity, whether it be in cultural diversity or in our educational backgrounds. So to get further into the 4 thematic courses of the first year, the 4 courses focus on environmental sustainability themes that are most urgent today. These are materials and circular economy, biodiversity and ecosystems, climate change and the energy transition, and water and toxicity. These 4 sustainability themes are paired with overarching governance themes, which form the shared language between the students in our cohort. These are institutions and policy cycles, decision-making and governance networks, policy framing, and multi-level governance. Each course is focused on the interplay between various actors and combining the natural science and the governance perspective. In the 3rd semester of the program, we further train our quantitative research skills, and we take part in a consulting challenge of 6 months long called the Sustainability Challenge for an external commissioner. We also personalize our study program by taking 12 ECTs of electives. In the final semester, we write our thesis. The Sustainability Challenge is a consulting challenge where 4 or 5 students work together on a project on a real-life issue for an external commissioner. So for example, this year I'm working with 4 other students for the Environmental Assessment Agency of the Netherlands on how to achieve a clean energy transition while minimizing harm to biodiversity. We can also take 12 credits of elective courses and personalize our study program. These can be offered by the Governance of Sustainability program itself, other master's programs within Leiden University, or even beyond at other Dutch universities or abroad. So for the final capstone project, which is our thesis, we attend a thesis market and choose to join a capstone group where various students work on the same topic with different research questions. Then we come up with a research proposal and write our thesis. Some examples of capstone topics are bending the curve on biodiversity or achieving climate justice and climate politics. So after learning all of that, what's next? We graduate with the combined knowledge, skills, and practical experience to analyze complex issues from both the natural science and governance perspectives, and to integrate these perspectives to come up with effective policy solutions in the public domain. Our alumni have gone on to work in ministries, for consultancy agencies, in NGOs, or even to do a PhD at a university. So, is Governance of Sustainability your match? Well, if you want to tackle issues of sustainability and combine knowledge of the natural sciences and governance as a knowledge broker and future change agent, then it might just be. Let's talk about the application and admission procedure. There are a few admission requirements you will need to reach to be able to be in the program. This includes a bachelor degree from any research university, knowledge of environmental sustainability issues, and experience with inter- or transdisciplinary education or research. You will also need a minimum of 8 ECTs in maths, programming, or statistics, a sufficient English proficiency, and if you have done your bachelor at a University of Applied Science, you will need a grade point average of at least 7.5. The application procedure is as follows. You apply via StudyLink and the Leiden University website. Here you will also need to submit a motivation letter. Then your application will be assessed, and once you receive your admission decision, you can follow up on it and confirm your attendance. To give you a timeline of what that looks like, the applications open in October the year before the academic year in which you wish to start the program. If you need a visa or residence permit, the application deadline will be in April, and if not, it will be in May. By the end of August, if you've been accepted, then you will need to confirm your attendance in the program. Once you're in the program, there are many things that help you to support you as a student. For example, we have our study advisors, student psychologists, our mentor network from the older years, and also a study association for our program called GOSA, which organizes informational and social events to help students feel at home in The Hague. Are you thinking you want to become a future change agent? I can imagine that you might need more information before you can make your final decision. To do that, you can join us at one of our Master Open Days, or look on our website for online or offline activities and events that can give you more information. Via the website, you can also chat with a student to find out more. To get in contact with us, you can find our website and email our study advisors if you have any specific questions. Thank you, and I hope I've inspired you to become a future change agent and to see you on campus in The Hague next September.